All right. Good morning, everyone. So for today, I will teach you on how to make use of links and using HTML frames. So last week we had discussed um, the links, the HTML frames. So before that, I will show you a sample on how frames works. Okay. So I have it here, an example of this. So this is about Ricky and Morty website, right? So look at the example. So in this example, as you can see, so you have columns in the left, a corner in the left, and a corner in the right. So whatever in the left side, these are the things that you need to click. Okay, and in the right side, these displayed the content of the left side. All right. So look at, for example, so this is the welcome page or the home page of the Ricky and Morty website sample. So the moment I click characters, so on the left side, it appears the content, okay? The content of the characters, right? So these are the characters. You have the scroll down and etc. And also with this, items. So these are the items, inventions, round, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Rand and locations. So how we should or how to do this? Okay? Let's start with the content or the frame first, frame. So one more, I'll show you another example. Frames. Where is the page? Okay, this is the example. So this is no, this is not the real one. I'll show you another example. Where is it? HTML. So Australia frames. So this is the example of a site, a website sample wherein they use links at the same time with frames. So as you have observed, I have it here, the different web page or HTML file. I have Aussie frame, cup underscore territory, New South Wales .html, right? So, and so on and so forth. So this is, let's open first how it looks like. So in the left side, these are the links that you want to include. Okay, yes, that's it. And then the right side, this is the welcome page para cute siya tanawan and professional looking. So the moment, so there are content spanning wala pa na ko na, I mean, part na nga wala pa ni nahuman. So new territory, when I click the left corner link, so it will go to the right side. So that's it. So I have it here, South Wales. So I click South Wales. So it has facts about New South Wales and etc. etc. I have image here. Now, sure, how to do it. Okay, start. First, let's open the Australia frame. Okay, so in this example, first, you have to include the basic tags. And then do not forget the word frame set. So this signifies that you're going to do frames. So frame set calls if you are going to do it vertically, okay? So you can also make it by row. So my example is calls, meaning column. So 30%, the 30% is located for the left side, comma, and the asterisk here indicates that the browser calculates the remaining percent to total the 100%. So let's say automatically the browser understood it that the asterisk there is the 70%. Then I put border equals 0, so therefore no border at all. So I do frame. So in my frame left, so source I call the state underscore names.html, scrolling no. And then frame src welcome HTML, scrolling no, name right for me to identify. Okay, that's it. Then for the New South Wales, New South Wales. For the New South Wales, this is the format. So New South Wales, so just the basic thing, okay? The basic thing ninyo, whatever you want to put. So here. And in the last part, dapat si states. Dapat si states inyong kuan. Ihimo. States. State names. Okay? Kanisha. So this state underscore names, this is the page that I'm calling para mo display sa left side. So here, notepad. So you call, so again, as I have said, this is the web page that contains everything, the link. So make sure to have this. Ahref, so I'm calling the COP here. So COP territory.html. Do not forget to include target equals right, right? Target equals right. Therefore, the target of the COP, the content of the COP territory will go automatically to the right. Okay? The same thing, the same format will go to the other links. Alright? So after that, what would be the names here? Then close the anchor. Okay? Do it in the same way. Right? Do not forget the target equals right. Understood? So in this part, Aussie frame, you can make your own percentage, okay? You can create your own. Right? So if you have, I hope this video tutorial helps your performance task. Okay? So for now, thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share the video and click the bell button for you to be notified in my next video. See you around. Bye.